Kyle Bratcher from Chaparral Motorsports. A question that we get all the time is, when should I replace my tires? Essentially, there are 5 really good reasons you should change your tire. Number 1, a puncture. Anytime you have a puncture of your tire, you should probably replace it. Number 2, the tread wear indicator. When your tire tread gets down to a certain depth at that tread wear indicator mark, you definitely should change your tires. Here on the side, we have a TWI, or tread wear indicator mark. And up here on the front of the wheel, you can see a line in this particular tire. This tire here is absolutely ready to be replaced. Number 3, if the sidewall begins to crack or if you have some sort of other type of damage. Number 4, your tread begins to wear so unevenly that the bike begins to handle funny. And number 5, when one of your other tires need to be changed, it's always a great idea to swap them as a pair. That gives you the best absolute traction you can have at any given time. And there you go, 5 things to look for that will tell you that you definitely need a tire change. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to these videos so you can get up-to-date tech tips as we produce them. I'm Kyle. Until next time, take care and ride safe.